So, as I announced on my newsletter and also on my Instagram account, this is the photo manipulation that we will create today in this premium tutorial. This tutorial is a bit more advanced, so if your knowledge of Photoshop is basic, you have to take my beginner tutorials, but overall we will use the same techniques as I used on pretty much any of my manipulation tutorial, which is blending stock images, using layer styles, layer masks, selections, and that kind of things. I will skip the basic stuff, like for example, cropping the background. You'll have for example, the background image and the model, you have them already extracted in the resources folder, which by the way, of course, it's included in the tutorial along with the PSD file. So you have all of those things already extracted from the background, because I want to skip all that stuff and go to the point, which is combining the stock images, creating the lighting, the shadows, and all that stuff, and bringing everything together so that it looks all as a whole. This tutorial will also be available for my YouTube premium members. As I announced a few videos back, I enabled my premium subscription on the YouTube channel. So for members that are not premium members on my website, you have the option to sign up on my YouTube channel as a premium member, which is a bit cheaper, and also you pay monthly, which on my website you cannot do. And also for some of you, I know that on some countries PayPal is not accepted, and some people don't want to they're kind of afraid of using a credit card. So for some users, this might be a better alternative than my website. Also, of course, you will be able to download PSD files and the resources. On the video description, you will find the links that will take you to download the assets and the PSD file of each premium tutorial. So I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. It's a bit more advanced, as I said, but I hope you will all enjoy it. So let's get started. So obviously for this manipulation, we will start with the background, because we will need to set up the environment so that the rest of the elements that we will add match in terms of size and perspective. So we will start with that. I will create a new canvas, and the size that I will use for this are the same that I used on the original manipulations, which are 2500 by 3800. And I will click create, and this will be our canvas. Now I will give you the background already extracted from the background, because it's really easy to do, but it's time consuming. So as you can see, this is the stock folder where you will have, well, here are all the stock images that I used. This is the image that we're going to start working with, and this is the original. I got it from pexels.com. You can find lots of images there which you can use, but I liked this one, so I will place it here on my canvas, and you can see it has no background. The second image that I will use, by the way, the keyboard shortcut that you see here on the screen is a custom one that I created. I mentioned this on a previous tutorial. It's the command for placing an object in Photoshop. File, place embedded. This is the shortcut that I created myself, because by default it does not have a keyboard shortcut.